Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. Was in the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Hand, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good time never seemed so good. And it don't seem so lonely. We fill it up with only two. And when I hurting runs off my shoulders, how can I hurt when holding you? Warm, touching warm, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good time never seems so good. I feel inclined to believe they never would. Oh no, Sweet Caroline, good time never feels so good. Sweet Caroline, I believe they never could. Sweet Caroline, good time never feels so good. Sweet Caroline, good time never seemed so good. Oh no,
Magic stuff. That was Ross, ladies and gents. What a voice. Some people you have to turn the microphone down for. Most you have to turn the microphone up. Ross was one of the down people. Our next singer's going to keep the mood high, I'm sure, with this next song. John, singing The Gambler.
Hey, this is dedicated to Lachlan out there. He likes to have a bit of a slap on the pokies. Oh, is he? Shit, you gotta help me here, Dad. One summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We're both too tired to sleep. We took turns of staring. The darkness till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I've made a life out of reading people's faces and knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I could see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice.